going to mash the banana in the aluminum tumbler with the help of masher. I am going to add some water into the banana mash. Now I am going to add a pinch of salt. Now I am going to add detergent. Now I am going to mix it. I am going to filter this mix using strainer cloth. I am going to add small amount of filtrate in this test tube. I am going to add some IPA to filter it. After a few minutes, DNA cluster settled in the bottom of the test tube. Now I am going to take it. I observe from this experiment, detergent helps to dissolve the cell membrane, salt removes proteins that are bonded to the DNA, IPA causes the DNA to precipitate. I really enjoyed this experiment. Thank you for giving the opportunity, T.A.B.S.
Hey all, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video to be interesting, please share it to your friends and known people. Also, if you want such experimental kit boxes for your kids, please reach out in the number below. Thanks a lot.